Today we're going to demonstrate the Braun manual rear entry conversion in a Chrysler Pacifica. This conversion is perfect for wheelchair users that ride with a companion and do not need to sit in the front seat area. The spring-assisted manual ramp is lightweight and very easy to use. If you can easily bend down, you can operate this ramp. The manual feature means there are no moving parts, so it is virtually maintenance-free. The entry height is 56 inches and the ramp is 34 inches wide, which is great for wider chairs. The ramp also has a 1,000-pound weight capacity. One of the advantages of the rear entry conversion is parking. You can load and unload from the rear of the vehicle, giving you the peace of mind of not having to worry about getting blocked in by someone parking where they shouldn't be. Another advantage is if you have a longer wheelchair. You can go straight in and straight back out of the van. You don't have to worry about turning the chair 90 degrees to face forward. The two back seats flip up, allowing the wheelchair to be secured in the front position to be closer to the front seat occupants. Or the seats can be flipped down when more ambulatory seating is required, and the wheelchair can then be secured in the rear position. If you are considering a low-cost, reliable, simple conversion with plenty of space, consider the Braun manual rear entry conversion in the Chrysler Pacifica. If you have any questions about this or any of our other conversions, please contact your local mobility consultant, which you can find at superiorvan.com. Thanks for watching.